Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you 3 easy and safe recipes that kids can make by themselves, even when you're not at home. These recipes are mostly sandwiches and don't require any cooking, cutting, or heating. Let's get started. First up, we have turkey and cheese roll-ups. They're super easy to make and perfect for a quick snack or lunch. Here's what you need. 4 slices of deli turkey, 4 slices of cheese, cheddar, Swiss, or your favorite, 4 large lettuce leaves, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise or mustard, optional. All right, let's go. Place a slice of turkey on a clean surface. If you like, spread a thin layer of mayonnaise or mustard on the turkey for extra flavor. Next, place a slice of cheese on top of the turkey. Then place a lettuce leaf on top of the cheese. The lettuce adds a nice crunch to the roll-ups. Now, starting from one end, roll the turkey, cheese, and lettuce into a tight cylinder. If needed, you can secure the roll-up with a toothpick. Make sure to remove the toothpick before eating. Repeat with the remaining ingredients and enjoy your roll-ups. You can use different types of deli meat like ham or chicken for variety. Add a slice of tomato or cucumber for extra freshness. Serve with a side of baby carrots or apple slices for a complete meal. These roll-ups are a great source of protein and are easy for kids to assemble without any risk. Next, let's make a nut butter and apple sandwich. It's a sweet and nutritious option that kids will love. Here's what you need. 2 slices of whole wheat bread, 2 tablespoons of almond butter or peanut butter, sunflower seed butter, 1 apple, pre-sliced into thin rings, 1 tablespoon of honey, optional, a sprinkle of cinnamon, optional. Here's how you do it. Take 2 slices of whole wheat bread and spread 1 tablespoon of almond butter on each slice. Place thin apple rings on top of the almond butter on 1 slice of bread. You can use pre-sliced apple rings from the store or have an adult slice them for you in advance. Drizzle a little honey over the apple slices if you like a sweeter sandwich. Sprinkle a little cinnamon on top for extra flavor. Place the second slice of bread on top, almond butter side down. Cut the sandwich into halves or quarters and enjoy. Try using different types of nut butter like cashew or sunflower seed butter. For extra crunch, add a few granola pieces inside the sandwich. Serve with a glass of milk or a yogurt cup for a balanced snack. This sandwich is packed with protein, fiber, and vitamins, making it a nutritious and delicious option for kids. Finally, let's make veggie and hummus wraps. They are healthy, easy to assemble, and a great way to get kids to eat more veggies. Here's what you need. 2 large whole wheat tortillas, 1/2 cup hummus, 1/2 cup shredded carrots, 1/2 cup sliced cucumbers, 1/2 cup baby spinach leaves, 1/4 cup sliced bell peppers. Here's how you do it. Place a whole wheat tortilla on a clean surface. Spread a generous amount of hummus evenly over the tortilla. Sprinkle the shredded carrots, sliced cucumbers, baby spinach leaves, and sliced bell peppers over the hummus. You can add more or less of each veggie depending on your preference. Starting from one end, carefully roll the tortilla tightly into a wrap. If needed, you can secure the wrap with a toothpick. Make sure to remove the toothpick before eating. Cut the wrap in half and enjoy. You can use different types of tortillas like spinach or tomato for added flavor. Add a few slices of avocado for extra creaminess. Serve with a side of grapes or a small bag of pretzels for a complete meal. These wraps are a great source of vitamins and minerals from the veggies and provide healthy fats from the hummus. They're perfect for a quick and healthy lunch. And there you have it, 3 easy and safe recipes that kids can make by themselves. These dishes are simple, delicious, and perfect for when you're not at home. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun and tasty recipes. See you next time. Happy cooking and enjoy your meals.